Series tied at 1. 2 innings. And our first. First and second. Bases loaded. 1-0. 2-0. 3-0. 4-0. 5-0. 6-run limit. Going bottom 1.
Okay. Bottom 1, Wolves lead 6-0.
First back stick. Left back stick. Did I help you? Or are you just looking? First back stick. First back pitch. First back pitch. And a first. First and second. Bases loaded. Going top 2. And a first. First and second. Base loaded. One out. 7-6. 8-6. 9. 9-6. 10-6. 11. 12-6. Get out, get out, get out! Oh, ground will double. Second and third, 14-6 goes regular. All 1. All 2. All three. 3 up. Three, 1. Full count. Reset for 1. I can't have to walk, actually. Sorry, I have to walk. I'll reset now first. Base is loaded. All 1. One and 1. One and 1. 2, 1. Two, 2. 2, 2. Full count. Okay. Reset. All 1. Two out. Three, count. Strike 1. Three, 1 count. Still 3-1. Foul ball. 3-2. Okay. Final score 15-6. Heading into endgame interviews. Nathan, you suffered a tough loss today with getting 1-2'd against the Western Wolves. What do you think you could have done differently?
Definitely improving on the hitting side, not striking out as much in games 2 and 3.
In that first game, you did walk it off on a walk. What do you think you did well in that first game?
Definitely the pitching, getting the strikeouts.
And third question, if Kane was still in the league and he learned that he took a 1-2 to the Western Wolves, what do you think his reaction would be?
I think he would be kind of upset, but also kind of happy that he didn't get swept, considering that I usually get swept by the Western Wolves.
And fourth and final question, heading into your Gargoyle series, don't ask me who you're going against. So I don't know. What do you plan on doing in that?
Improving on the hitting, hopefully hitting more balls like that last out, like hitting it almost to the wall, and hopefully hitting some home runs.
Okay, heading into Gunnar Concer's interview.
So Gunnar, you took a 2-1. Unfortunately, you didn't get a sweep. What do you think you can improve on?
Pitching wise, I need to do a lot better with staying consistent. I know the pregame interviews, I said I want to be consistent. I was not today, so I need to improve on that. Next question.
What do you look for in your next series?
Hitting the ball better. I was swinging and missing at a lot of pitches in that first game that I should not have swung at. Towards the second and third game, I was doing better with the with seeing those balls and hitting them out if I needed to. Along with the pitching side, I was throwing more strikes more consistently. So that's what I look forward to.
Okay, thank you.